How to create an N8N node. Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I am gonna show you how you can create an N8N node. So first go to n8n.io. This is the official site. After that sign in to your account. So I already signed in. So this is my N8N dashboard. Now let's click on the plus icon to create an workflow, or you can see your existing workflow here. So just click on plus icon and then click on workflow, personal. So this is our blank workflow. Now let's add some node. So on the right side here you can see plus icon. You can add node from here. Also you can add it from here. Just click on plus icon and then you will see all of the node here, or you can search any of node like Google Sheet or any other node. Just click on that and then the node will be added. Now you have to enter the credential of this node and then you will get the results. So I don't want to do it now. So this is how you can add node to your N8N project. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.